Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So first I'm just taking this black base coat and applying it to my eyelids. Well, I already done one eye off camera because, okay, it's a long story, but I'm gonna make it short. So I had done this look the day before, disaster. I recorded it. I stopped, like, I was almost done. I just stopped. The eyeshadow just wasn't as dark for, my liking. I felt like it just looked too not spooky enough. Like it just went all wrong, you guys. I was so devastated. Like I just had to stop and clear my mind. So this is the next day. So I done one eye off camera to make sure everything looked good before I even started filming. So fast forward, okay. So I apply a black base coat to make the look darker because at first I didn't use a black base coat and it was terrible. It was terrible. It wasn't dark enough or any of that stuff. Then now, fast forward, I'm just blending everything together. I haven't even applied any black eyeshadow yet. I'm still blending the base coat, and now I'm just adding stuff, the colors in my crease, if that makes any sense. Like, and now I'm applying the eyeshadow, the black eyeshadow. I didn't want to apply the black eyeshadow first. I wanted to make sure everything was blended and apply stuff to my brow bone because I really don't have a crease, it's all black. So my brow bone and blend it out and make it look as good as possible. Now I'm applying the black and blending it all to make it come together and make it as one, if that makes any sense to you guys. Now I'm applying foundation. Now this isn't my color, like this is not my correct color, but by being a Voodoo Doll look, I wanted it to look pale and ashy yet a little dirty. But it doesn't look dirty, but you guys know what I mean. Y'all know how like an old doll looks, like it has like this little tint to it, like a washed up look more so. So that's what I was really trying to go for. But you can do the look however you please. If you want to use your correct foundation color, you can do that. If you want to use, white, you can do that. You can do whatever you would like, but that's what I was going for. And I just, felt like contouring, done it a little deep, but not too deep. I didn't want it to like overpower anything. I wanted the eyes and the makeup, like the X and the mouth and the lines and the heart to really stand out. I didn't want it to be, overly contoured, stuff of that nature. Okay, now this part is pretty simple if you have a, sturdy hand, because you can mess up though. It's really a beginner's look. You can make the line as thick as you want. If you mess up, you're gonna blend out this baseline anyway. It's just a baseline. And now I'm just mapping it out before I even draw it, because remember I just told you guys I had done the look the day before. And when I did the X over the eye, it was all messed up. Like I didn't map it out. I don't know what I was thinking, but it just wasn't right. So, I made sure to, get everything in order before I just started drawing on my face, because there's no going back after you do that. Like it's a wrap after that. You'll have to take it all off and do it all over. So yeah, you just make sure you map out everything. That way everything can go, okay, really smooth, and you won't really have any problems. Okay, so now you guys, I'm using a cotton ball. Now, I made the biggest mistake of my life. I used my lace glue to apply it. Oh my goodness. Terrible big mistake. Don't do that. It's like too much because I didn't have any latex glue. So, I don't know. I really messed up big time. Big time. Like I was going to do all the lines with cotton balls to make it look more gory. When I tell y'all I was done after that little piece of cotton ball around my neck, I quit. Like I was gonna do the heart and everything. I had to take it off. But if you have, liquid latex, you're fine. Like I would rather do it that way if you're, more advanced. But if you're not really that advanced and you're a beginner, this is more for you. You don't even have to do the cotton ball method at all. And now I just decided to shade it. Like, okay, I'll just shade it, use dark brown to make it, have, some more contrast to it and not just look like I just drew it on, even though it still kind of looks like that. But yeah, I feel like it looks, pretty good, pretty good. And now I'm just gonna, color in the cotton ball, with a red flesh color. I have some cream paint or whatever. And then after that, I'm just gonna end up applying blood to it. To every little line, blood. And the blood is really going to make it pop. Like it's going to make it look gory and nasty. So it really doesn't matter if your work isn't as neat. It can be, the lines can be messed up because after you apply the blood, it's going to look awesome. I'm telling you. I promise you guys. You'll be okay. Now I'm applying clear lash glue over the lines to add the stitches. And for the stitches, I'm using rubber bands. I cut the rubber bands up into, little pieces. And the glue that I have, the eyelash glue, as soon as you rub it on, stuff sticks to it automatically. You don't have to even wait for it to dry. I forget what kind of eyelash glue it is, but I'll put it down in the description box. You guys can check there. But yeah, like this process was very tedious though. So if you are a very impatient person, you might just want to draw the lines with a black eyeliner, like a liquid liner or a gel liner. Because, child, I tell y'all, I was so tired. It was so late at night. I was so tired. I didn't even put any stitches around the neck. I was done. Like, I was over it. You guys, I was so over this look because I had been planning on doing this for like 2 weeks. And by the time I done it, I was done. Like, nope. So that, my babes, completes the look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. And I know I suck at this voiceover thing, but I'm gonna get better at it. I haven't done one in a few years. But please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back with you guys later. Peace out, babes.